Alright guys, time to do a review of this fire roasted vegetable Daiya pizza. This was on sale and picked it up. We're gonna open this up and cook it up. So this pizza is unique. It is dairy free. You can see here, it's gluten-free crust, all that stuff. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. And let's open this up here. So we're going to cook this up, and then I'll do a quick taste test for you guys. Alright, here we go. There we go, all set. Okay, so I'm gonna cook to that, and look, you can take a look there. I'll be right back. I'm gonna cook it up right now. Alright, here's the pizza all done, guys. I'm gonna break off a piece here. Ooh, it's hot, very hot. I'm just gonna take a small piece of the side, possible, maybe just filling here. There we go. It's good, guys. Has a nice tomato flavor to it on the sauce. Probably wouldn't know it wasn't real cheese. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel.